In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a precise opening in a wall for a door or window. Aoi Gauss window using Blender's Boolean modifier feature. This is a handy technique that will give your models a more realistic look by ensuring these openings are cleanly cut. We'll be going through each step together, making it easy for you to follow along, even if you're still getting the hang of Blender. So, let's dive right in. First, we need to create a cutting object. We'll do this by adding a new cube. You can do this by pressing Shift and A on your keyboard, which will bring up the Add menu. From here, navigate to Mesh and then to Cube. You should now see a new cube in your workspace, which will act as our cutting tool. Next, we need to scale and position this cube precisely. Our goal here is to adjust it to the exact size and shape of the window or door opening you want. Using the scaling tools, you can resize the cube to match your specifications. Once that's done, make sure to position it so that it completely passes through the wall object. This positioning step is crucial because it ensures the Boolean operation cuts through properly. With our cube sized and positioned, it's time to apply the modifier to the wall. Begin by selecting the wall object you wish to modify. Click over to the Modifiers tab on the right-hand side of your screen. This tab looks like a small wrench icon. Once you're in the Modifiers tab, select the option to add a new modifier and choose the Boolean modifier from the list. This will enable us to use our cube to create the opening. Now, let's set the operation. In the Boolean modifier options, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Operation. Set this to Difference. This setting tells Blender to subtract the shape of our cube from the wall object, effectively cutting out the space we need for our window or door. To complete this setup, use the eyedropper tool to select the cube as the object for the modifier. This step links the cube as our cutter. Almost there. We can now apply and clean up. Click on Apply in the modifier panel to perform the cut. Once applied, you've now created the opening in your wall. To finalize your model, you can go ahead and delete the original cube as it's no longer needed. An additional tip for keeping your workspace tidy: before deleting, you can set the cube's viewport display to wire. This ensures it's not visible in the 3D viewport, helping keep your scene clear of unnecessary visual clutter. And that's it! You've successfully created an opening in your wall for a window or door using the Boolean modifier. Practice this a few times to get comfortable, and soon, creating complex models with precise cutouts will become second nature. Thanks for joining me today, and happy modeling.